Hello friends, welcome to your channel TNE and Employment and Education channel. I thank all the subscribers who have subscribed our channel and request those who are not subscribed to continue getting our newly uploaded videos on education, career and jobs. Banks providing education loan are quite cautious in analyzing the eligibility of candidates in order to ensure that monetary aid reaches deserving students. Before approving a loan, the basic characteristics that are considered are the student's overall academic quality, their prospective path of education, and their current admission status, and also the reasons why education loan request is rejected by the banks. Keeping in view these factors, in this short video we have provided 10 basic needs, factors to be kept in mind before availing education loan. Please go through this video from the beginning till the end without skipping, as verbally also we have provided a lot of useful information. Let us go to the video. First and foremost factor you have to consider is education loan really needed, which all depends upon family's financial background, parents saving for children's education, parents' retirement plan, and the repayment capacity by the student or by the co-applicant, that is parents. Second factor which you have to consider is, or the need is, the age should be 18 to 35 for education loan from government banks and 30 years of age for unsecured education loans from NBFCs, that is HDFC, Tata, DHFL, Federal Bank, KVB, Dhanlaxmi Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, etc. Third important factor which to be kept in mind is good academic background and confirmed admission. To avail students loan, education loan, the student should have proven and good academic record, that is in 11th and 12th, and also in entering exams like GRE, TOEFL, GMAT, SAT, etc. Student should have got confirmed admission from any recognized education institute in India affiliated by UGC, approved by AICTE, or abroad and are recognized by the banks. Third important need or factor is need for co-applicant. Full-time courses need to have a co-applicant who can be either parent guardian or spouse parent-in-law in case of married candidates. Next factor is security against loan. Whether you can provide collateral, that is immovable assets such as land, house, bonds, fixed deposit certificates, equity shares, and recurring deposits can be used as collateral to avail educational loans with minimum CIBIL score of 600, which might vary from bank to bank, or non-collateral loan you need. Most banks do not ask for collateral security if the loan is below 4 to 7.5 lakhs approximately, and almost all the banks would demand collateral security for loans above 7.5 lakhs. Next factor which you have to consider is whether the loan covers the tuition fee, living expenses, books, your laptop expense, life insurance, and insurance against education loan, especially for overseas education loan. Having an overseas education loan insurance policy safeguards the applicant in the wake of any unforeseen incident. The liability of an overseas education loan insurance does not extend to the family members as they are a co-applicant. Applicants are not required to pay the premiums of an overseas education insurance separately, as they are already included in the EMIs of the education loan. In case of unsecured education loan from non-banking financial companies, getting an education loan insurance for one's security is a right decision. So what are the documents needed before applying for education loan or after the loan is sanctioned? Bank statements of last 6 months or 1 year, IT returns of minimum last 2 years of co-applicants, academic institute admission letter with fees breakup, KYC proofs, know your customer proofs like age, signature proof, identity proof, residence proof. In case of income documents, salaried income documents, latest salary slips or 6 months bank statement. In case of self-employed, last 2 year income tax returns with computation of income, last 2 years audited balance sheet, last 6 months bank statement, proof of turnover. Self-employed professionals might have to submit last 2 years income tax return with computation of income, last 2 years audited balance sheet and profit and loss account, last 6 months bank statement, and also proof of qualification. After loan is approved, the co-applicants will have to sign the loan agreement and will have to submit the post-dated checks or will have to sign the ECS form, Electronic Clearing Service form for repayment of the loan, or they will have to provide the SI, standard instruction, to the bank to repay the loans by EMIs. Bank will also need the security PDCs, post-dated checks, 3 or more than that, which have to be submitted to the bank. Next is release of loan. The loan will be released either semester-wise or year-wise as per the guidelines of the college or university. Next is the loan repayment, which varies from bank to bank. What would be the interest? Whether the interest will be calculated on simple interest basis or compound interest basis. What about the EMI, which depends upon the repayment of principal amount and the interest. What about the tenure? How many years? Whether grace period or moratorium period is given before you start repaying the loan. Next is flexible repayment option is there or not. Whether you can do any part payment in advance to clear your education loan in advance. What about the foreclosure terms? If you want to fully close the education loan, what are the terms? Whether you have to pay any service charges or not. These are some basic reasons for getting your loan request rejected. Number 1 is low CIBIL score, that is your repayment capability. CIBIL score related to your credit cards. Number 3, insufficient income or FOIR, that is fixed obligation to income ratio. Number 4 is legal issues in collateral security. Number 5 is poor academic record, like academic performance, low academic or poor academic performance in 10th or 12th standards, or you have any backlogs or arrears in your graduation. I hope you have understood all the needs and factors which are to be kept in mind before and after availing any educational loan. Thanks for watching this video and all the best.